Vloggity vlog, vloggity vlog. Every time I get in this car, I need gas. Every single time. Looks like I have to make a gas run before I even do this video. Oh well. Cause of having a Mustang, that's okay though. In fact, this actually gets better gas mileage than my 240 did when it was still alive. Hey, what's up guys? David here for another vloggity vlog, and I hope that every single one of you is having a wonderful day. As for me, as soon as I left the house, it started pouring down raining. You know what other time it was raining today? Never. It was like, oh, David's gotta film a video. It's gotta ruin his day. Oh, it's terrible. And my question today to you as a car owner and or a car lover is you having feelings of being sentimental towards your car a negative thing? Is it bad to be sentimental towards a car? And if it isn't, what are the benefits? A lot of people argue that being sentimental towards a car is bad. Why is it bad? Because then when things start going wrong, you never want to get rid of it. Because you have this emotional connection and you go, oh my God, I have so many memories in this car. And I agree with you. I cannot sell Smurf because I am so emotionally attached to this car. There's been so many opportunities that I could have sold it, could have traded it in, but I didn't. Has it given me a lot of trouble? Honestly, not really. Only time it did was I had to fix the diff and the taillight thing last year, but that's it, really. But compared to my other project cars, this thing has been like an angel. It loves me and I love it, but not in like the gross, strange addiction way, you know what I'm saying? Like I'm in love with my car. Being sentimentally attached, I just really don't think is that bad. I really think it's a positive thing because it gives you motivation to finish a project car if you're stuck and unmotivated. If you treat it like a being or something more than just an object, then you treat it better. And also you keep your cars cleaner. I've noticed that too. If you just say a car is an appliance, like a blender or something, oh God, you treat cars like crap. And it's good to like treat your things nicely, you know what I mean? Now, a few days ago, I released a video about my buddy Morgan, who had this yellow bug-eye WRX. Very cool looking car, very cool car to drive, but it broke all the time. It was costing him thousands and okay, wipers. It was costing him thousands and thousands of dollars every time it broke, which was all the time. So he was basically just powering through, trying to keep this thing alive. My buddy James with the Jasmine Evo, that car breaks a lot. Sorry, James. Even though it's a terrible financial decision, like I said before, could I have moved on to the newer Mustang? Yeah, I could have. But I feel like I would have felt empty, at least for a while, you know what I mean? Like, it's not the same. But I will say my previous car was a black Mustang GT. I literally had such great memories in that car. It was my first stick shift manual car. I had so much fun. I lived at the beach in that car. You know, it was like, you know, surf's up, dude, in a convertible. I met so many of my friends in that car. But when I got this car, about a month later, I was like, oh my God, what a great decision. I don't know if it would be that big of a jump from this to something else. I just don't know. Then you have the benefits of not being sentimental towards a car, which is, I don't care about it. It's a mechanical machine. If something breaks on it, I don't give a crap. I will just sell it and move on to the next thing. And sometimes I'm envious of those people. Sometimes I want to be that person because that way, if I do have problems with a car, I can just get rid of it. All of my project cars, I am so connected to emotionally. I'm sure I'm sure that they feel the same way about me, obviously. But yeah, humans are just weird. We get attached to things. That's why the show Hoarders exists, you know? I hoard vehicles, which there's no space to do that for most people. I still have my stock Integra suspension in my garage for some reason. I don't know why it's there. I should just get rid of it. And I look at it and I'm like, in the arms of the angel. Anyway, that's my little spiel about being sentimental towards cars. You miss a lot of opportunities, I feel like, when you're sentimental towards cars, but then having that emotional connection is what makes owning a car so great and what makes it so memorable. Everybody has their story with their car. and they go, that was my car. Let me tell you all about it. It was my baby. So next up, I know I haven't done a Smurf vloggity vlog in a while. Little update about everything. 240 is broken, like I told you before. One piston was cracked in half. And then one, I have to laugh about it now. Like I was upset when it happened. I have to laugh about it now. It was just awful, guys. Like it could not have been worse. And the Integra's motor is going out, as you guys probably know too, so I'm figuring out what to do with that. It's so funny whenever I get gas and people see my camera setup, they look at me like I'm an alien. Or am I? Yes, cameras are a thing. Okay, so like I was saying, oh yeah, and my drift coupe still exists. I get that question all the time, and sometimes I'm like, just forget about it. The reason it's taking so long is because I know a lot of you guys know, but I'm doing something that's really crazy in it. And somebody the other day commented, I'm sorry, I can't remember your username, so credit down in the comment section if you commented this. He said, David, do you ever not go full send with any of your cars? And I just am like, no. I get really excited about making cars 100%. That's what makes me happy. And it's just one of my favorite things to do. Having a game plan, having the mindset of how it's gonna turn out. That's kind of how Blue Jay-Z was created. I had a plan, it took 2 years, but in my opinion, it was worth the 2 years because it made me happy. It wasn't just another janky 240. This one, on the other hand, is janky, and I gotta make it really unjanky. So that's why it's taking so long. Also, my detail brand, Pedersen Car Care, has been going absolutely great. Huge thanks to Matt from Obsessed Garage for coming up. And also by trying out Pedersen Car Care, that helps me finish the drift coupe. So that's just me being real with you. Maintaining 4 project cars was so dumb. Don't be me. Don't be me in any way. Focus at one thing at a time. Okay, another video recap. We also talked about a Terminator Cobra, once again, that was just above stock. And then, you know, I made the video about, does a stock Terminator Cobra suck? It doesn't. It's still a fantastic car, but it's mostly about why it held its value, not so much of the performance. That car was amazing for only like a pulley and exhaust and a tune. The thing made 460 wheel horsepower on pump. God, V8s are easy. Oh yeah, I'm also working on another super secret project right now that, well, I'm just gonna tell you, we bought a car, a running and driving car for $180. And that car is gonna be so silly. It's so much fun. But I'm basically doing the Mighty Car Mods model just like the Drift Coupe. We're just gonna film all the videos, edit all the videos, then just release them all at once. Somebody commented this the other day. I just like to address this as well. He said, hey David, where are the car reviews? And also you seem sadder than usual. The truth is that I'm actually happier than ever. The thing though is that when I talk about something I'm really passionate about, I come off as angry because I get really excited and I get like really into it. So therefore I come off very stern and upfront. So that's how I am a lot of the times in life. I'm just very stern, upfront, brutally honest, and that comes with age too. I'm still the happy-go-lucky David. I love life, everything's great, so don't worry. Also, addressing the car review situation, car reviews just don't show up as much as you think. Car reviews are the hardest videos to schedule, edit, etc. One of the biggest problems is that most of the car reviews come from 2,000 to 3,000 miles away in my emails, and I just can't get them. You know, they have to drive all the way here, I have to go all the way to them, and for one video, that's just not practical. But you know, car reviews, of course, I love doing them. I think they're great. But at the same time, if I do them back to back to back to back, one, it's very tedious. Two, they're not very fulfilling sometimes when it's the same car I've done already. I've done the same car more than twice. It's so hard for me to do a car review. I'm just like, what is there to say that I haven't said? So I try to bring something new to you guys, like the Maxima I did. 1, 2, 3. super rare situation. I laughed. Most fun I've had in a car review in probably months. And it was something different. So if you have something different like the Maxima that's just as fast or quirky, please email me if you want to get your car reviewed. I know that sounds really cynical of me to say don't email me if I've done it already, unless it's so drastic to the point that you can't even recognize it. Email me. But do me a favor, save me some time and you some time, and just search it. But just go to the YouTube search bar, type in That Dude in Blue and your car, and then we can see if you've done it or not. That way I can really concentrate on the weird, obscure ones. Also did a whole bunch of VinWiki stories for Ed Bullion. I had done some before, so look out for the next wave of those on the VinWiki channel. I did like 7, if you want to know some behind the scenes stuff. All right, dudes, I'm gonna hand off the question to you. Do you think being sentimental to a car is beneficial or a bad idea? Should you get emotionally disconnected so if you get in a crash or something, it's not so devastating? Or should you be passionate about the car emotionally that you own? Leave it in the comment section below. Can't wait to hear your stories. Dudes, if you want more vloggity vlogs, make sure to upvote a comment saying that you want these more often. I will make them happen. And I upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And I will see you guys next time, and take it easy. Have a great day. Goodbye.
I'm